Hello students, in our previous geometry period, in first chapter, we have studied properties of ratio of areas of two triangles. Now, we will revise these properties and we will solve some examples from practice set 1.1. Property first. A ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the products of their bases and corresponding heights. This is first property. Second, areas of triangles with equal heights are proportional to their corresponding bases. And third property, areas of triangles with equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. Now this is question 1 from practice set 1.1. Base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of these triangles. Now see, in this given equation, for first triangle, base is equal to b1 is equal to 9 and height is equal to h1 is equal to 5. And for second triangle, base is equal to b2 is equal to 10 and height is equal to h2 is equal to 6. Now to solve this example, we have to use this first property. The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the products of their bases and corresponding heights. Now we will take the ratio of areas of these two triangles. Area of first triangle upon area of second triangle is equal to base of first triangle into height of first triangle upon base of second triangle into height of second triangle. Now we will put the values here. So base of first triangle is 9 into height of first triangle is 5 upon base of second triangle is 10 into height of second triangle is 6. Now see here, we will simplify this. If you divide 10 by 5, here we will get 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10 equal to 9 upon 12. 9 was the 9 upon 2 6 are 12. Now again, we will simplify this, divide both the terms by 3. So we will get 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So our answer is the ratio of areas of two triangles is 3 upon 4. That means So the answer is the ratio of areas of given triangles is 3:4. Now this is question number 2. In the figure, BC perpendicular AB. BC perpendicular AB. AD perpendicular AB. AD perpendicular AB. Now given things, BC, length of BC is equal to 4 and AD is equal to 8. So we have to find the ratio of areas of these two triangles. That means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC. Now if you observe this figure, these triangles, that means triangle ABC and triangle ADB, both the triangles have same base. That means this is AB is the common base for both the triangles, but heights are different. The height of triangle ABC is BC and it is given 4, and the height of triangle ABD is AD and it is given 8. So here we have to use the property of triangles having equal base, and that property is areas of triangles with equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to, that means this ratio is proportional to the ratio of their corresponding heights. That means height of triangle ABC is BC upon height of triangle ABD is AD. Triangles of equal bases. Triangles are of equal bases, therefore the ratio of their areas will be equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Put the values here. BC equal to 4 and AD is equal to 8. Now simplify this by reducing to its lowest form. Here we get 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So our answer is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to 1 upon 2. Question number 3. In the figure, segment PS perpendicular segment RQ. Segment PS perpendicular segment RQ. Segment QT perpendicular segment PR. Segment QT perpendicular segment PR. Now if RQ is equal to 6. Length of RQ is equal to 6. Length of PS is equal to 6. And PR is equal to 12. Then we have to find QT. Then we have to find the length of QT. Now solution. Now here given things are QR is equal to 6. PS is equal to 6. And this total length PR is 12. Now we have to find the length of QT. Now if you consider this triangle PQR, if we have taken QR as a base, then corresponding height to this base QR is PS. And now if we take PR as a base, then corresponding height of base PR is equal to Q. So we have to use here the formula for area of triangle. First, we will find this area on this triangle first by taking base QR and height PS. Into base QR into height PS. This is the formula. Now put values. One half into QR6 into PS6. So here we get, by simplifying, we get here 18 square units. Two 3s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. Now we will find the area of the same triangle but taking base as PR and height as QT. PR 1/2 into base PR into height QT. So after putting values we get here 1/2 into 12 into Q. After simplifying we get 2 6 are 12, that is equal to 6 QT. Suppose this is statement 1. Statement 2. In both the statements, triangle is the same. So area must be same. That means this area is equal to this area because there is no change in triangle. So area will be same. So from statement first and second, here we get 6 QT is equal to 18. And therefore QT is equal to 18 upon 6. Therefore QT is equal to 6 3s are 18. Divide 18 by 6. So here our answer is QT. And therefore, QT is equal to 3 units. Now, question number 4. In the figure, AP is perpendicular BC. AP is perpendicular BC. And AD is parallel to BC. Line AD is parallel to line BC. Then find area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD. That means you have to find the ratio of areas of triangle ABC and triangle BCD. Now if we consider these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle BCD, both the triangles are drawn in parallel lines AD and BC. And you know that the distance between parallel lines is same. Therefore, the heights of both the triangles will be equal. That means both the triangles have height equal to AP. And now, also both the triangles are on common base BC. That means their bases are also equal. So, we will take the ratio of areas of these two triangles. Base of triangle ABC BC into height of triangle ABC PQ, AP, upon. Now base of triangle BCD is BC into height of triangle BCD AP. That means here both triangles are of equal bases and equal heights. So if we cancel the similar terms, here we get and therefore area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle is equal to 1:1. Now question number 5. In the figure, PQ is perpendicular BC. PQ is perpendicular BC and AD is perpendicular BC. AD is perpendicular BC. Then find the following ratio. First, area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC. Now observe in the figure. Here triangle PQB. Now in this triangle, BQ is the base, PQ is the height, and another triangle PBC. But in this triangle, BC is the base and PQ is the height. That means in both the triangles, in triangle PQB, PQ is the base and PQ is the height. In triangle PBC, BC is the base and PQ is the height. That means both the triangles are of equal heights. So the ratio of their areas will be equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. That means base of triangle PQB upon base of triangle PBC. That means equal to BQ upon BC. Because these are the triangles of equal heights. So the ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Now in second, triangle PBC and triangle ABC. Now both the triangles are of equal base. That means both the triangles have base BC and their heights are different. That means height of triangle PBC PQ and height of triangle ABC is AD. So these two triangles are of equal bases. Therefore the ratio of their areas will be equal to their corresponding heights. That means the ratio will be equal to PQ upon AD. That means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC is equal to height of triangle PBC is equal to PQ and height of triangle ABC AD. That means both the triangles are of equal bases. Therefore the ratio of their areas will be equal to their ratio of their corresponding heights. Now here, in third example, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC. Now here, triangle ABC. Okay, height is BC. Base is BC and height is AD. Now, in triangle ADC, base is DC, height is AD. That means here, both triangles having same height. So the ratio of their areas will be equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. So here in triangle ABC, base is BC. And in triangle ADC, base is BC. So this ratio will be equal to BC upon DC because both the triangles are of equal bases. Therefore, the ratio of their areas will be equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Now in fourth example, area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC. This is triangle ABC. This is triangle PQC. Both the triangles are of different heights and different bases. So, the ratio will be equal to the ratio of products of their bases and corresponding heights. So, the base of triangle ADC is DC and height is AD. Upon base of triangle PQC is QC and height is PQ. Both the triangles are having different bases and different heights. Okay. Now we will stop here.